What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to move crypto from Coinbase to a cold wallet. Safety first, always send a small test transaction of $5 to $10 because blockchain transactions are irreversible. Confirming the first transfer is the best way to move your remaining balance with total confidence. Step 1. Get your receiving address. Connect your hardware wallet to its companion app. Select the asset you want to receive and tap Receive to generate your address. Always verify this address on your physical hardware wallet screen before copying. Step 2. Initiate the transfer. Look into your Coinbase account on mobile or desktop. Navigate to the main menu and select Transfer or Send and Receive. Choose the specific cryptocurrency token you are withdrawing. Step 3. Address and network. Paste the copied address into the recipient field. Now here's a pro tip. Double check the first and last 4 characters to protect against malware. And most importantly, ensure the network you select on Coinbase matches the token's native blockchain network to avoid permanent loss. Step 4 and 5. Test and confirm. First, send your test amount, review the gas fees, and authorize via two-factor authentication. Once the test amount is confirmed in your cold wallet app, you can proceed to transfer your full balance. By following these steps, you'll be able to move crypto from Coinbase to a cold wallet.